Okay, so this is a studio suite at the Margaritaville Resort in the Bahamas, and this is in the residence section. So of course you have this little kitchenette with a dishwasher and microwave, full dishes and stuff. And then here we've got the bathroom, which is kind of, go there, open concept. So toilet and shower. So, I mean, it's just glass. So, oh, there's a door. There's a door. Good news. Good stuff. And then in here is a washing machine. You get 2 free pods. That's a washer and a dryer. Okay, so I'm going to freeze the video right here. I don't know why, but for whatever reason, me, yes, gadget girl, did not film any portion of the kitchen area. So let's just take a second and explain what's there. You pull out one of the drawers. It is basically a deep drawer, which is your refrigerator. You can set the temperature on it, which is really cool. Down below, there's an ice maker as well as a freezer compartment. So if you buy some nice rum or other spirits and you want to have these chilled, chuck them in the freeze portion. And again, you can check the temperature on that. They did have a good variety of utensils, including a wine bottle opener as well as a can opener. There was one skillet. I don't recall seeing any saucepans. There's bowls, plates, small plates, big bowls, as well as all the utensils that you would need. Really, really nice knife set, and sharpened quite nicely, so really good for cutting fruit and stuff like that. No problems whatsoever there. And there were 2 hot plates as well as a dishwasher, and they included 2 of the pods to run the dishwasher. There wasn't any dish soap or dish towels, so I think the idea is they would rather have you just chuck everything into the dishwasher, run it, and then ensure everything is completely hygienic and sterilized afterwards. So super easy to do. Lots of glassware as well for your cocktails in the room or your glass of wine, what have you. So really complete with everything you need. So let's carry on with the video. So it's kind of convenient. Flat screen TV. And in here is closet. And oh, I guess it doesn't open anymore. And we've got a safe and some hangers, lots of storage space. And charger right there. Nice king size bed. And then another charger on this side. And then really quite a massive balcony area. And you're overlooking the beach and pool area. And then on that side, if you're staying here, you have access to that side as well. And that is where the adult only pool is, up on the, I guess it's the 4th floor, as well as the water park and the lazy river. So really can't go wrong with that. And then just around the corner is where the cruise ships come in.